In a previous video, we had talked about how to cast your PC screen to your phone, and in today's video, we'll be talking about how to cast your phone screen to your PC. Let's jump right in. To be able to cast your mobile phone screen to your laptop, you will need this app called Let's View. The Let's View app enables you to cast your phone screen to your PC. Now, go to the Google Play Store, download the app Let's View, just download the app, install it on your mobile device, and open it. Once you have successfully installed and opened the Let's View app, you have this interface, and it is asking you to connect to Wi-Fi. Now, once you have connected to Wi-Fi, you have this information on your phone screen. That is the IP address and the Wi-Fi name that you are connected to. If you are already connected to your Let's View app on your desktop, you can just tap on Redetect. It will scan to see if there is any Let's View client installed. But if there is none, in this case, I have not yet set it up on my PC, so there will be none. So let's go to the PC and see how to actually set it up on the PC end. To set up the Let's View app on the PC, of course, you have to first of all connect to the Wi-Fi. So let's make sure that our device is connected to a Wi-Fi. Okay, so we are connected to the same Wi-Fi now. You go to letsview.com, and on the Let's View website, you have this big red button here. So you click on it to download the Let's View app. So once you have downloaded the Let's View app, so now we have the Let's View app running. So we have to create a connection between our smartphone and the Let's View app. There are two options. You can either scan the QR code or you can use the pin. So in this case, let's scan the QR code. Now that we have scanned the QR code, so to connect your Let's View, you connect the two devices to the same Wi-Fi connection. Once that is done, you click Redetect. If you had connected before, it's going to display your PC name here in the connection section of your Let's View app. In a case where you are connecting for the first time, you can either use the QR code by you click on this button here and then scan the QR code. So you now tap on the device name. Now in this case, as you can see, you can either capture computer screen or you can mirror your phone screen on your computer. So you tap on the phone screen mirroring, because of course that is what we intend to do today. So we tap Start Now. So you can see here that we have successfully connected to Let's View. Okay, now we have our phone screen mirrored to our PC screen right now. So whatever we are doing on our phone screen will automatically appear on our PC screen. As you can see, I'm loading this app now, the Coursera app, and it is loading simultaneously, and it is also appearing on our PC screen. Now there are a few other features that you might be interested in on the Let's View interface on your PC. Let's assume you are making a presentation and you need to show what is going on your phone, maybe to your audience. So you want to show them a specific thing. You can create annotation. In this case, you have a brush here where you can click and you can annotate on the screen while you making use of your Let's View app. Of course, once you are done, you can step back using the back key here. You can change the color of your annotation using this button here. In this case, our notation is now blue. If you might want to take a screenshot of your mobile device using the Let's View app, you might want to record your screen. You might want to record your screen using your Let's View app. So you do not necessarily have to use a mobile screen recording app on your phone to record your screen. Once you connect to your Let's View app, you can record your screen directly on your PC. So there are a few other things that I would like to talk about here. Of course, you can clear all annotations on this using this particular button here. You can hide that toolbar on the right hand side using that button, and you can as well rotate your screen if you want it to be on in a horizontal fashion. Question of the day: is there any task you are trying to carry out on your Android device that is giving you a headache? Please share it in the comments below. Somebody that knows the solution might as well pop in and answer your question, or I might use it as a topic for a subsequent video. Now, if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.